Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, already we have discussed about Newton's method. We already solved one problem also in Newton's method. In this video, we are going to solve the same topic, Newton's method, in different types of solution, in different type of problem. Okay students, let us know about the one problem. Below are given the wages earned by workers per week in a certain factory. Calculate the number of workers earning more than 650. We should identifying the more than 650 per week. Okay, in this problem we should identifying the number of workers earning more than 650 per week, more than 650 per week. Next, they are given information of weekly wages. Weekly wages they are given in the form of up to 50, up to 600, up to 700, up to 800, up to 900, up to 600, up to 900, up to 1000. Next, they are given information of number of workers 50, 150, 300, 500, 700, 800. This is the given information. So we have to solve and identifying the number of workers earning more than 650 per week, more than 650 per week. Okay students, in this previous problem same like that, here also first we should identifying the leading difference. We'll go for solution. First we should identifying the leading difference. First we should write as it is given information. First they are given information of weekly wages. Weekly wages we can denote as a x variable. Next they are given number of workers. Number of workers we can denote as a y variable, x and y. Okay, as it is we should write. I will write here up to 50. I will write in shortcut. You will write full form up to 50. Up to first one 50, 500. This is a 500, up to 500. Next up to 600. Next up to 700, up to 800, up to 900. Next up to 1000. Next, y information we should write as it is, y variable 50, 150, 300, 500, 700, 800. This is the given information. First we should identifying the leading differences. Leading differences.
First difference we should identifying
we can denote as a delta power of 1, delta power of 1. So leading difference we have to do second value minus first value. So we are already identifying the suffix also here. We should write here suffix y0, y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is y4, this is y5. Suffixes we have to assigning here. Next we have to do a leading difference. Second value and minus first value. 150 minus 50. 150 minus 50, we will get 100. Delta power of 1. So first suffix is 0. You should write 0. Next, same like that. Third value minus second value. 300 minus 150. 300 minus 150. We will get 150. Delta power of 1, suffix is 1. Okay. Suffix is, we should write in ascending order. Power is constant. Suffix is, we should write in ascending order. Next, 500 minus 300. Minus 300. We will get 200. 200. Delta power of 1, suffix 1 is over. Next is 2. Next, 700 minus 500. We will get 200. Delta power of 1, 3. Delta power of 1, 3. Next, last one, 800 minus 700. 800 minus 700. We will get 100. Delta power of 1, suffix is 4. Okay students, this is a way of identifying. First one is 100, 150, 200, 200, 100. Okay. Next we have to do a second leading difference. Delta power of 2. Delta power of 2. Next we have to do a differences between the second value and first value. 150 minus 100. 150 minus 100. We will get 50. Delta power of 2, suffix is 0. Same like that. Second one, 200 minus 150. 200 minus 150. We will get again 50. Delta power of 2, suffix 0 is over. Next is 1. Next, 200 minus 200. 200 minus 200. We will get 0. Delta power of 2, suffix is 2. Next, same like that. 100 minus 200. 100 minus 200. We will get minus 100. Delta power of 2, suffix is 3. Next we should write same like that. Delta power of 3. Delta power of 3. Leading difference is 3. We should identify the leading difference of 3. Same like that here. 50 minus 50. 50 minus 50. We will get 0. Delta power of 3, 0. Same like that here. 0 minus 50. 0 minus 50. We will get minus 50. Delta power of 3, 0 is over 1. Next, same like that. Minus 1, minus 100. We have to do a minus 0. Minus 100 minus 0. We will get minus 100 only. Delta power of 3, suffix is 2. Next we have to do once again delta power of 4. up to single value. When will come single value, we have to start the leading difference. Delta power of 4. Minus 50, we have to do a minus 0. We will get minus 50 minus 0, we will get minus 50, delta power of 4, 0. Same like that here, minus 100, we have to do a minus. Next, the value is minus 50. Minus 100, minus into minus plus 50, minus 100 plus 50, we will get minus 50, delta power of 4, 1. And last, delta power of 5, minus 50 minus, we have to do a minus, so minus 50, minus 50 minus into minus plus, minus 50 plus 50, we will get 0. So when we will get a single values, so we have to stop a leading difference. It's over. Leading difference is over. Okay students, after the identifying the leading difference, next we should identifying the x value. Next we have to identifying the x value. There is a formula for identification of x. The value of x to be interpolated, x to be interpolated minus the value of x at the origin, the value of x at the origin, the value of x at the origin divided by the difference between the two adjoining values of x. We should apply the formula. We will get x value. The value of x to be interpolated. Which one we are identifying the calculate the number of workers earning more than 650. We are identifying the 650. 650 minus the value of x at the origin. Origin means starting. The starting value how much? 500. 500 divided by the differences between the two adjoining values of x. The differences between the one value to the another value, 500, 600, 700, 800, the difference is 100. We should write. Next we have to simplification. 650 minus 500, we will get 150. 150 divided by 100, we will get 1.5. X value should be constant. Next we should apply the formula. So up to the delta power of 5, we have to expand the formula. Okay students, I will write here. First y, so we have to interpolating yx is equal to y naught plus delta power of 1 0 x, we should write in before, x delta power of 1 0 plus x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta power of 2 0 plus, again it will be expanding, x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta power of 3 0 plus x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 divided by 4 factorial delta power of 4 0 plus, we should write one more because delta power of 5 up to delta power of 5 we should write. So I will continue below plus x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 x minus 4 divided by 5 factorial delta power of 5 0. It's enough because we have a 5 leading difference 1 2 3 4 5. So when we will get a more differences, leading difference, the formula will be expanding. This is the formula. Okay students, standard formula is y naught plus x delta power of 1 0 plus x bracket x minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta power of 2 0. It's when the leading difference is expanding, so automatically formula also expanding. Okay students, next we have to simplification of this y. We have to identifying the up to 650 they are given. We should write up up to 650. X means up to 650 we are identifying. Y naught value we already know, y naught value is 50 plus x means 105 delta power of 1 0 100, we should write here 100 plus x value 1.5, again x is there 1.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial 2 into 1 delta power of 2 0 how much 50. Next x value 1.5 minus 1 1.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1 delta power of 3 0, the value also 0 plus same like that x value 1.5 minus 1 1.5 minus 2 1.5 minus 3 divided by 4 factorial 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 delta power of 4 0, the value is minus 50. So delta power of 4, the value is minus 50, we should write minus 50. Again the formula is continuing here, I will continue here x 1.5 minus 1 1.5 minus 2 1.5 minus 3 1.5 minus 4 divided by 5 factorial 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 delta power of 5 0, value is 0. Okay students, next we have to simplifying this. Simplification of this y up to 650 is equal to 50 plus 1.5 into 100, we will get 150. Next we have to simplification of this. When we have to simplification of this, we will get we already know in the previous video or previous problem how to simplification of this. We have to simplification one by one. We will get 18.75. Next, we have to simplification of this. When there is a 0 in the multiplication of this, so we will get always 0. It's a very easy to simplification. Next, we have to simplification of these values. We will get minus 1.1718. Next, again we have to simplification of this. Here 0 is there. When there is a 0, we will get again 0. So simplify one by one. After that we will get these values. Next, y up to 650, we have to make a total of this. We will get, the answer is 217.58, approximate 218, but we are identifying the up to. So the number of workers earning up to 650 is 218 persons. 218 up to 650 is 218. But in this problem we have to find out, calculate the number of workers more than 650 per week, but the given information of up to, less than given information. So first we have to identify the answer. Next we have to identify more than 650. So how many number of persons they are earning more than 650. So here identifying the up to 650. Next we have to identifying the more than 650. So it's very easy to identifying the total number of workers, how much? 800. So hence the number of workers earning more than 650 is, so total number of workers is 800. We already know number of workers earning up to 650. Up to 650 is 218. In total, up to 650 we have to less. Up to 650 the number of workers is 218. So 800 minus 218 we will get 582. This answer is called as the number of workers they are earning more than 650. Did you understand the meaning of this? So in this problem they are given information of less than information here. So first we should identify the answer. Later we should give a conclusion for that. More than 650 per week. They are asking about the more than 650. So total workers is 800. Under that we are already identifying the up to 650 the earning is 218. 218 persons they are earning up to 650. Okay. Under the 800, so 218 we have to less, we will get more than 650 earning persons. Okay students, this is a way of giving a solution for more than or less than. Less than also we will get another answer. In the next video we will go for another type of solution. If you have any doubts, again you can ask or call. Okay. Thank you to one and all.